Hey everybody, Josh Dean with Sideways BBQ. I hope you're having an amazing day today. Just wanted to get with you and let you know that I challenged Erica, who's our head chef and one of our pit masters in the back, to come up with something completely new and exciting for a sandwich. And we're gonna roll this out through the spring, but we are gonna call this thing, it's a special name for it. I'm gonna let her go ahead and tell you what it is, but we're gonna go step by step on how we make this thing. And I cannot wait to try this thing. I'm so excited, but pay attention, check it out. We'll see you in a minute.
Hi folks, it's me Erica coming from Sideways. Today I want to let y'all know what kind of sandwich we got coming for y'all. It's called the PeCock Sandwich.
You have to order it that way too. So when you come in to eat this thing, you have to say what it is, and it's the PeCock Sandwich. So there you go.
Okay folks, so today I do have a cabbage, carrot, and onion mixture that I'm gonna make for my slaw. And to get it soft like that, what I do is I put a little bit of mixture of salt and sugar to soften it up, and then I rinse it off, and you get that really nice soft texture for that. And then over here I got blue cheese dressing. It has a little bit of mayonnaise, blue cheese, parsley, some other seasonings. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a big old handful and mix that in with our coleslaw, and then that's gonna be our blue cheese coleslaw for the topping of our PeCock Sandwich. Alright, so that mixture is done. I'm just gonna wrap it up and let it sit in the cooler for a little bit while I get our chicken prepared. Okay, so how we prepare our chicken, I have whole chicken, which I've been brining for a couple of days. The brine makes the chicken more moist and juicy. And in our brine, I have grapefruit juice, pineapple juice, also have some seasonings like paprika, garlic, salt, and a couple of more that I'm just gonna keep secret. So I take the chicken over here, and what I do is I cut the backbone out. Alright, and I'll just sort of cut this extra skin off because we don't need that. Because at the end of the process anyways, it's going to come off because it's going to be pulled. So I just take my little knife right here, sort of break that bone so I can put it flat. Sort of clean it up a little bit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take our chicken rub and season it real good. I'm gonna get underneath the skin so the chicken underneath can have flavor. Like I said, the skin's gonna come off anyways, so it keeps it moist in the cooking process. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to throw it on our smoker. Just like that. We're going to cook it for about an hour, hour and a half. It'll probably be done in about an hour and a half. I'm going to tip it in. At 250. Alright folks, it's been about hour and a half, hour 45 minutes, and our chicken should be done. Let me tip it. You always want to tip it in the thigh joint. Oh yep, 170. Also too. Oh yeah, she's ready to pull off. Alright. There we go. We're gonna go take it over here. I'm gonna go ahead and take the skin off, and I'm gonna start pulling it. Get all this juicy meat. Ooh, that is pretty juicy. Alright folks, so we pulled our chicken over here, right here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some of our in-house made buffalo sauce with our pulled chicken. Just drizzle it on there like that, and I'm gonna toss it around. You don't want too much, but you want it enough to coat, because you still want to taste the smoked chicken. Alright. So I'm going to take a handful of that, put it right there on our toasted bun, just like that. Then I'm going to get our blue cheese coleslaw dressing over here that I made earlier. Get a nice handful of that and put it right on top of our chicken sandwich. Boom. Oh my goodness. Looks amazing.
All right, everybody, so it's the moment of truth. So this is the PeCock, and so buffalo chicken, blue cheese, coleslaw, handmade bun, and we're gonna knock this out right now. So we get to take a bite, and I can't wait for this. But so I've recruited a few friends. We're gonna see how this bite really goes. I've never tried this thing, but Erica tells me it's epic. So we're gonna go ahead and try this thing out. So I'm gonna cut it up into fours and see how this works out. So let's do it. All right, so we're all gonna go ahead and dive into this thing real quick. So I'm gonna try to hold mine together. This thing is packed to the gills. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one because it's right there on the edge. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab that. So while they grab theirs.
I like your speech right here. We all going at the same time?
All right, so
cheers.
Hey, so cheers.
It's pretty damn good.
Damn! Look, buffalo chicken, baby. Amazing.
Erica. Oh my God.
It makes you want to go. It's amazing.
Oh, can I have some more?
Yes.
Folks, this is so good. So I'm gonna tell you the first thing I taste is Erica's epic coleslaw. This is a blue cheese coleslaw, and combined with this buffalo chicken, is that? Am I right?
No.
It's crazy.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Yes.
This thing
Damn.
is so good. So
Amazing.
we're replacing the pinwheel. The pinwheel is a winter month thing that we have. And I challenged Erica to make the best sandwich that we could to replace the pinwheel. And I'm telling you,
That
this
is it right
this is the thing that's going to be every Thursday. So we're gonna do these every. I want this thing every day. I'm telling y'all, it's flavor explosion. Flavor explosion. The blue cheese, the coleslaw, the chicken we smoked. How long did you smoke that chicken for?
For about an hour and 40 minutes.
And I can taste the smokiness of it. We make our own buffalo sauce here. This didn't come out of a bottle. You guys have to come check this thing out. Hey, by the way, if you guys like these videos and you want to see more of them, subscribe to our channel. So you go to our YouTube channel, go to our Facebook page and like it. If you go to YouTube, we do a lot of how-to videos, a lot. And just hit that bell icon, subscribe, share it around, and just know that everything that we do is for you guys. So we appreciate you guys, we love you, and we will see you hopefully soon. Bye.
Amen. Dude. Seriously.
It's just good.
No, buffalo chicken's I could eat it every day.
How good was that?
It's freaking awesome.